Minista wa Githomo George Magoha agitongoria mihango ya kuhingura irathi njeru thukuru-ini wa Imwana wa Machakos augite kumana na wongerereku wa riboti cia ciana gucina thukuru riu gutire secondary o yothe ya thirikari igukora igitikira kuoya arutwo aria maingatitwo kuma thukuru ingi ni undu wa kunyitikana na ihitia ria gucina.
So anybody who is planning to burn the building, just remember that if you are caught, you are not going to go to any other school. Definitely not a public school in this country. You will go back and ensure that your parents contribute to the rebuilding of the school that you have burnt. That is the first one. Secondly, we shall charge you and it shall remain on your record. So when you come to look for a job, or if you are a doctor and you find out this one was involved in burning a house this way, say, oh, thank you very much, next.
That those students involved in the burning of schools and destroying property, they have to pay for it. I want to join you and ask my colleagues wherever they are in this nation that they should not admit students without proper checkup and clearances from their former schools. And even use this opportunity to ask our colleagues in the private sector not to admit students when they have not been cleared.
Magoha augite ona arutwo amwe macina thukuru mithenya ya gwika igeranio ndigukorwo igicenjio na kwoguo atarite arutwo matigane na mutugo uyu kuona aciari ao nio maratigwo na gibarwa gia kuriha hathara yothe na oho murutwo wothe uria kunyitikana na ihitia ria kugeria gucina thukuru agukorwo agikwo ota ekwirwo agero ingi.
Do not think you are going to force us to close schools. We are not closing any schools. If you are not studying, it is up to you. Your exams are ready in March, you will take them by the grace of God. And by the way, we are talking about 99% of the students. The 1% who want to spoil for others, we shall deal with you circumferentially.
There is no amount of stress that can make you destroy millions of properties that have been put in our institutions. Any kind of stress can be sorted out by proper discussion with the administration, which I have continually appealed to my colleagues to be available for discussion.
Magoha oho ni arutite mukana kuri arimu akiuga gutiri uri na rutha rwa kuingata murutwo ni undu wa marihi ma thukuru indi arimu magirire gubanga na aciari uria mbeca icio igukorwo ikirihwo handu ha kuingata arutwo undu uria ukoretwo ugicungirira matigwo thutha mathomo-ini.
On the other hand, no teacher is allowed to take any child out of school on matters related to extra charges because they don't exist. Secondary school, day secondary school is absolutely free. So anybody who is sending a child home for an extra charge is a criminal. Let me use that very strong word. Because the government is providing everything. And before you send a child home to go and look for the money, go to the child's home and see whether there is money there. And you will be shocked what you see.
Magoha augite thina uyu wa arutwo gucina thukuru ndwagirire gukuruhanio na mututhuko wa murimu wa COVID-19 amu ni thina ucio ngirirwo ni kwagana kwa arutwo kuona uthuthuria uria tafanitio ni Ministry ya Githomo wonanitie ati thina uyu wagumire bururi makiria mwaka-ini wa 2016 kuria riboti 239 cia arutwo gucina thukuru ciandikithirio. Ngiribotire Inooro TV njitagwo Kate Muthoni.